Every year, we celebrate our traditions, gathering with family, sharing food, teaching our children the values of gratitude and togetherness and thankfulness. We take them to pumpkin patches in the fall, to strawberry farms in the summer. We take them to places where life grows and where joy is easy to find. But there's another story that we don't tell them. A story that begins in darkness and ends in silence. The silence of trillions of animals who die for our traditions. Why do we take our kids where food is grown, but not where it's killed? Why do we hide the slaughterhouses, the blood, the screams behind closed doors, yet call what's on our plate tradition? Maybe it's because deep down inside, we already know that if they saw and if we saw the horrific brutalities that goes on behind those closed doors, our traditions would start to look very different. Our traditions tell stories about who we are and what we value and what we choose to pass on. Tradition, 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 tradition. Traditions. We all have them, but are they good or are they bad? Let's take a closer look at what tradition really means and who it includes and who it leaves behind. Hey, I'm Daniela, the vegan mom, and today we will examine traditions, the good and the bad, so stick around. And when I think of traditions, I think of joyful moments, like a holiday meal with the whole family. We think of homemade cookies. We think of sitting around a fire and maybe roasting marshmallows and telling stories. Traditions are a source of enjoyment and meaning, and they make us feel like we belong. Traditions are powerful because they reflect our cultural roots. They anchor us and they provide stability, and they teach us how things have been, and they connect us to our ancestors and teach us our history. Traditions turn ordinary moments into extraordinary celebrations. Traditions are emotional anchors, and they offer familiarity and security during turbulent times. Traditions embody shared memories and values, and they give us a sense of purpose. Traditions play a vital role in preserving languages, rituals, customs. They contribute to the diversity of global cultures. But, and here comes the big but, traditions can also be dangerous, devastating, and painful. For example, bullfighting in Spain, where the bull is tortured to death for our amusement. Elephant rides while on an exotic vacation. Young elephants are stolen from their mothers and then subjected to brutal and violent training to crush their spirit and become submissive. Plus their feet are chained with sharp, spiky chains, and electric shock is sent through their legs. Tiger petting in Thailand, where tigers are drugged up and chained day and night. Let's come back to the cozy traditions that are not so cozy for the animals, because each year trillions, yes, trillions of sea and land animals are brutalized, tortured, and murdered for our traditions. Millions of turkeys are killed each year for our Thanksgiving meal. Millions of pigs are gassed or boiled alive for our Christmas ham. Millions of cows are tortured and brutally murdered for our memorial barbecue. Trillions of sea and land animals are tortured and exploited and brutalized in the most unimaginable ways for our traditions. How about we start a new tradition? How about we exchange those traditions for compassion for the animals and leave the animals off of our plates and go vegan? And believe me, when you start to awaken and start going on your vegan journey, it's like trading your dust for diamonds. And if you need help making the transition to a plant-based vegan lifestyle, I'm here for you and I would love to help you. You can contact me through my website and I will leave the link in the description below. Just contact me and we will chat. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and become part of our vegan tribe. And share this video with as many people as possible, because our goal is to save as many people and as many animals as possible. Also, I wanted to let you know that I have a program called Back to the Garden of Eating. And if you want to find out more about my program, I also created a workshop for you so you can find out more about my program. And I will leave the link to my workshop in the description below. So just go to the description and click on the link and that will lead you to my workshop that will teach you so much more about my Back to the Garden of Eating program. Okay? And until I see you again in the next video, be blessed, stay healthy, and bye for now.